Is treacherous killing considered perfidy in IHL? Imagine a soldier pretending to surrender, only to attack once the enemy lowers their guard. That kind of deception can have serious legal consequences. Today, we're exploring whether killing someone through treachery counts as perfidy under international humanitarian law. Perfidy involves acts that trick the enemy into believing they are protected under the laws of war. For example, pretending to be a civilian or feigning surrender to lure an opponent into a vulnerable position. The goal is to betray that trust and cause harm. Under the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols, perfidy is strictly forbidden because it breaks the trust that helps protect civilians and combatants alike. When it comes to treacherous killing, the key question is whether the act involves deceit that leads to the enemy's death. If a soldier kills an opponent by pretending to surrender, that is considered perfidy. The act of killing through such deception is seen as a war crime. It's different from lawful tactics like camouflage or misinformation that do not involve false claims about protected status. These lawful ruses are meant to confuse or mislead but do not betray legal protections. The 1907 Hague Regulations explicitly prohibit killing an enemy in a treacherous manner. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court also classifies such acts as war crimes. The main point is that killing through treachery involves a betrayal of trust, which is what makes it illegal. If the act does not result in harm, such as injury or capture, it is generally not considered perfidy. This distinction is important because it helps maintain the principles of fairness and respect during armed conflict. Deceitful acts that lead to killing undermine the rules of war and threaten the safety of everyone involved. The laws aim to prevent such treacherous acts and promote honest conduct on the battlefield. So, to answer the question directly, treacherous killing is considered perfidy in international humanitarian law. It involves deceit that leads to the death of an enemy, and such acts are classified as war crimes. Respecting these rules helps protect the dignity of all persons during conflict and keeps warfare within the bounds of law.